people. I have another unboxing for you today, and I just want to do this quick wallet before I have to run out the door. So let's get down to it. Before I start, I want to point out this is from it's from Notiq. So I was trying to, this is the name of their new collection right here. Let's see, and I can't remember how to pronounce this. It's French, so I'm not even gonna try. But, Notiq has been around for 2 years now. They're having a 2-year release. So it's kind of being spread out over a few weeks where not everything's being released in one day. It's kind of like every Friday, certain things are released. So this is from the first week. And I picked this up and I've been super excited to get it. I do have a couple of other things from Notiq that I have purchased previously. I have some really cute ring planners, and they have 30mm rings. It's this kind of a faux lizard print, and I have this faux croco in pink, and they are really nice little planners. So I've been excited to try out what's in this box. So let's get this open and I'll show you what I've got. Okay, so what I have here is, they sent me this cute little, so this is a card that says Notiq on it, and I got this really cool paper clip. So that's nice. And then this nice little card here with a note from the founder. And let's take this out and have a look. I always hate ripping the tissue paper. I kind of wish that companies would find a different way to seal up their tissue paper packages, because I like to save it. So it comes in this nice dust bag that's kind of like a dusty pink, and it's kind of very fuzzy feeling. Not fuzzy. I don't know, it feels almost like suede. It's very nice. Ta-da! So this is called the Slim Wallet. Do I need to turn this light on? Does that help? Or no? Let's just shut that off. Okay, this is the Slim Wallet. And this is kind of can be used for a couple different things. They sell this, plus they also have an insert you can use if you like the cash wallet or the cash envelope system. So if you are a cash envelope person, you should check this out, because she has like this little cash envelope thing that you can either use on its own or you can put in one of these slim wallets. This also fits the Hobonichi Weeks, which I use. So I was pretty excited to pick one up and try it out. So the color I got here is bone. So it's kind of like a beige faux croco. This is vegan leather, I guess I'll say. If you're a leather snob, then Notiq is not for you, because there's no leather products. So let's open it up and see. And ta-da! This is very, very pretty. So there were several colors that I really liked, but I didn't want to buy all of them and then find out this wasn't going to work for me. So I just picked up this one in a very neutral color so that I could try it out, and then of course I'll probably go back if it ends up working out for me. So it's got gold hardware. It does say Notiq here down at the bottom in gold foil. There's a little card here. So what do we have for pockets? We have this slip pocket here, a secretarial pocket, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card pockets. And these are really nice. They're, let's see how, yeah. So like this top one goes down to about here. And then this pocket goes down to about here. This pocket goes down to here. This pocket here, and then this one, of course, goes all the way to the bottom. on the other side, you have a slip pocket. And then these card slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 card slots. That's a lot of card slots. And oh boy, these are really deep. So it's almost, this top one goes down to here. So these are very, very deep card pockets. And then she has this pocket here, and this this wing shape is kind of like her signature that she uses in her design. So let me bring back my other planner. I think this has the same thing in here. Yes, you can see right here, it's kind of got this wing design here. So that is a feature you will see throughout all the designs. So let me grab my Hobonichi Weeks and let's see how this works out. So this is the weeks I'm using right now. This is the Shantan edition for 2021, and it's a hardcover. So you really wouldn't need to have the cover on this. So I'm gonna just slip it in here. Typically what I do is I only put one side in so that I can use, I don't know, I like to be able to take mine out easily. So look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh, that's really nice. And this is totally gonna fit a mega if you have a mega. So I love it. Oh my gosh. Let's see, what if you're the type of person who wants to use both, oops, there's my blotting paper there falling out. Let's just say you're the type of person who wants to use both sides in. Let's see if this is another reason why I don't use both sides in, is because it's like, how do I get this in here? Okay, there we go. So there, if you are the type of person who wants to have both sides in, you can totally do it. Yeah, it looks good. But I would not do both sides personally. I like one side in. So you can see there's a lot of, I hope you can see, there's plenty of room at the top. I'm thinking if you had a weeks with a cover on cover, you'd still be okay. But I think I should be able to find my old weeks with the cover on cover, and let's check that out and see if we can do that. Okay, well that was a fail. So I have like a big box somewhere of Hobonichi products that I keep, like extra stuff like cover on covers, blah, blah, blah. So I did not find the official Hobonichi cover on cover. I found one that is from Lauren Phelps Design, which should give us a good idea if it's going to fit, because it's about the same size. So no problems. I think that with a cover on cover, you're going to be completely fine with this Notiq slim wallet. Oh, sorry, I'm huffing and puffing because I was like moving boxes in my closet trying to find my Hobonichi stuff. This is a Hobonichi Mega from 2019, and it's a chunky one. So let's just go ahead and pop that in there. See how cute that looks? Oh my gosh, I love it. I love chunky planners, and I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I think this is gonna work out great. I'm looking forward to seeing if this, right now it's kind of stiff, and as I use it, I'm hoping it's gonna just soften up a little bit, you know, and I think it will. So I'm very pleased with it. I may go back for another color. There's, let's see, there's a lipstick red, there's a red lizard. Again, I love the black lizard. I have that in 2 different sizes. And there is a pink lizard. I mean, there's all kinds of colors. There's Saffiano, if you like that. It's kind of like a faux Saffiano. I think there's 17 colors that you can get this in. So if you like the Hobonichi Weeks and you're looking for a good cover, or if you're into cash envelopes and you're looking for a cash envelope system, please check out Notiq. I do want to mention that they have this slim wallet. They also have something called a slim cover. Make sure you're getting the right one. The slim cover is much bigger than this. So, and I think there's some sort of happy planner that the slim cover will fit. So your Hobonichi would be swimming in that one. So make sure you're getting the slim wallet if you're interested in this product. I am very, very happy with it. I intend to get another Hobonichi Weeks this year. So yeah, I think I could see myself picking up a couple more covers. So, and there we go. So, any questions? Put them in the comments below, and I will try to get to you as soon as possible. Other than that, that's pretty much it for my unboxing. Thanks for stopping by, and talk to you again later. Bye.